Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, I would really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Topeka, Kansas. So this project, we have two main scopes of work that we're doing out here. We have our King Pier 2 installation that we're going to be doing around all sides of the home. We have 12 piers total that we're installing under the footing. What I wanted to showcase today, however, was the second scope of work, and that is this leaning cinder block wall. So hopefully it comes across in the video, but you can see it's bulging right there in the middle. It's not a huge wall, but there is some serious damage there. There hasn't been any rain up here in a few days, but you can see it's still leaking water through here. So what we're going to be doing, we will have all of the pier work done probably the beginning of the first half of next week, and then we're going to be focusing on removing this damaged cinder block. It's likely hollow, and then get it rebuilt back up using our methodology. And if you've seen any of our recent cinder block rebuild projects, we don't leave the cinder blocks hollow. Each individual hole in each individual cinder block is filled with our King Piers blend. It's high strength concrete, and we rebuild that back so it will be vertical. There is some minor saw cutting we're going to have to do on the concrete patio on the outside of this wall, and we're going to excavate down just to make sure that when we rebuild the wall, we're going to be able to thoroughly seal the exterior side of the new cinder block wall, make sure it's very waterproofed, because again, we don't want water to be able to get through. So yeah, two main scopes of work we have on this project. The crew are nearing completion on getting the King Pier 2 holes finished up. We got a couple more that we're going to get started here on the front wall, and then probably Tuesday or Wednesday we'll be able to install the piers, get those encased in concrete, and then we will focus on getting the cinder block wall taken down and then rebuilt back with new CMU block. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.